Hi, David Webster here from Coda Audio. I'm here at Infocom 2020 to show you the N-APS, which is part of our N series. It's an arrayable point source, which means you can couple them together to change what you require to be your coverage. We have many neat features here. This is our quick release grill. So I have this little screw here that I can screw into the top. He says, but he can't do it holding the microphone. There we go. Then I pull this off, and you can see I can do without any tools. I can take the grill off, and then I have these couplers that alter my horizontal coverage or my vertical coverage. So these are 90 degrees at the moment. I just pull that off, and you see it's magnetic. So I put on whatever I want and then click it there. The same here. If I want it to be asymmetrical, I can then decide whatever I want the coverage to be. On top of that, you can see below we have the N sub that marries that, which is a 15-inch subwoofer. For more details, go to www.codaaudio.com.